Start game.
You see a cutscene?
Okay, we're loading in.
Okay. Wait,
I
are
swear
you
to
looking at
God, if
me?
it
Oh,
crashes,
I thought you were.
No, but I swear to God, if it crashes.
If it crashes again, you'll just skip the cutscene and join it later.
Oh man, yeah, my new graphics cards and RAM will show up tomorrow,
Oh, nice.
so I'm gonna slap that in and give her a quick rundown.
Yeah, I'm only okay. Let's see how mine's running.
Hey, I'm in a cutscene.
You in a helicopter?
Yup.
Okay.
You know what? Even on these lower settings, this game actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, I'm at around 120 frames right now.
It's pretty solid. I didn't check mine. I didn't want the little counter. God dang. That light, jeez. I didn't want the counter right in the corner, so got that turned off.
Yeah, I turned mine off. I just wanted to see where I was at.
Oh, it looks like it's lagging a bit on OBS, but it'll be alright.
I don't think I've ever spawned here before. Yeah, this is definitely a new spot for me.
Cool. Oh, I have a laptop. Oh, okay. Edward Puffington, weeks missing 31, age 63, Puff Corp CEO.
You're just sitting there all day.
175 centimeters, eye color gray, weight 75 kilograms. I don't care about his family members. That's cool. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a map. Okay. Cool.
Oh gosh.
Let's just go ahead and close the old laptop. Fight demons, huh? Did you have a fight demons tattoo as well? Did we both get that?
I think we both got the same tattoo.
Oh no. Bro, now OBS has an error.
Just a great start, you know.
Oh my gosh. No space left on device? What?
Oh,
there's not enough
recording.
Where are we recording to?
Wait, what?
Go to this PC.
Where you at?
Oh, why is it not recording to that? Hold on.
Oh, I thought I seen you. I don't see you.
I should pop up like right next to you. I'm gonna have to free up some space real quick. I didn't know this was gonna be a problem since I have a crap ton of terabytes, but whatever. Let's move.
Yeah, I don't remember any of this game. Save my buddy here.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I need to hit E. Oh, there we go.
Where you at?
In a helicopter trying to get out because I was in the water.
Okay, yeah. So you did the same one I did.
Yeah.
There's different crash sites.
Yeah, we should spawn in the same place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should be good to go.
Okay. Just kick me, why don't you?
Wait, what?
And putting a gun in my face, huh?
did not mean to do that.
Nice. I love getting pistol whipped in the face.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, I swear to God, if you crash.
Oh, you're old. Oh, you're like really old.
Oh, it crashed.
No, it did not.
Oh, bro, I swear to God, it just crashed. I made it through all that and it crashed. Okay, you know what? It's gonna be the only issue.
Okay. Dude, just standing in the
What?
fire. Our little AI buddy. He's just standing in the fire getting cooked. Jesus. He's over there screaming.
Oh, hey, okay. I picked up a rock.
Yeah,
And
there's a
I
bunch of
threw a
those.
rock. Okay.
Here, I'm gonna cook some meat for you. You can have this.
Oh man,
okay.
hold the phone. Hold the phone.
What am I holding?
Gameplay. Where is sensitivity? Cause jeez.
Get through the roof.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Let's just turn her down a few clicks. Oh, much better. Okay. I have a radio.
Oh wow, you just got real loud. All of a sudden.
Oh no, I think I hit the radio button. I'll put it away.
What the heck? You talking through the radio?
Yeah, we have walkie-talkies. Hit R.
Oh my gosh. What? R?
Yeah, hit R. Oh, I have a bird head.
It's not doing nothing.
Maybe hit T. Maybe it's T. I thought it was R, but I hit a couple buttons.
Oh yeah, can you hear me?
It sounds terrible.
It's so bad.
There's like there's like a 0.2 second delay.
Oh, what if
between
hang on,
it.
I'm gonna mute Discord.
Oh no.
Hello,
it's gonna
hello,
be terrible
mic
through
check.
the
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh God, it sounds like you're from the 1930s.
I'm back. With some of this meat.
Yeah. Let me grab some of that meat there.
And put it on the fireplace. Oh, well, yeah.
I think we can tell them to do stuff, right? Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Build, get sticks, get logs, and
We don't need
drop
what?
here.
We gotta find a place to build a camp. Here, get this meat when it's done.
all right.
I wanna go start.
Wait. I like your little teeny tiny fire.
Oh, it's not doing good.
Nope.
It's a
Oh,
not a lot
my
there.
God.
Here, I'll
Bro, it's two sticks that look like a candle.
I got
flame.
you. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna go start looking for a campsite. I'm
Okay.
gonna go look,
Yeah,
let's go
yeah.
look for a campsite.
Don't go too far because I don't know how far our map goes. Oh, I did not want the giant boulder.
G, I think. To drop it.
Ah, yeah, good call.
Can I throw this? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I seen something moving. I don't know if it was an animal.
Yeah.
See.
Is that a?
Oh no. Not animal.
Nope. What is that?
Throw my rock at it.
Oh. How did? Oh, you can block. Okay, left click is block.
Oh my.
Oh, whoa.
Okay then.
All right. Just gonna.
Okay.
Just gonna.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh no. Hey, look, I found this dead guy over here.
Oh, you know-
That definitely didn't.
Oh
kill
yeah.
him.
This one. this one here.
Yeah.
Let me just,
yeah.
There we go. All right. So there should be a good spot up here somewhere.
Anyway, yeah. So let's go for a swim. Oh, is that a squirrel?
Yeah, I couldn't catch it.
Hey, what about on the left there? It looks like there's a little trail.
Oh, hang on. We got movement.
Bro, this is a camp.
We got a big guy.
Do you see the tent?
I didn't see it.
Yeah, it's behind him. Hold on. Let me flank him. He sees you. Oh no, there's another.
Oh, he's in the tree. Okay. I'm just gonna poke him a little bit. I'm just gonna poke him.
You're just gonna poke him a little bit?
Oh, one hit almost killed him. Okay, that one's gone.
Okay. There's another one. I don't know where he went. You know what? Let's just go in here and steal all their stuff.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't think we need... Yeah, I definitely don't want to live here.
No. Ooh, but they have a skin pouch. I'll collect that.
A little skin sack.
And a tarp. I like tarps. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Anything in these crates worth taking? Oh, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Break their camp down.
Solar panel? I don't really care about the boulder.
Alright, let's keep going. Oh, I see another one.
Ooh, some wire and batteries.
We'll try and spear them. Whoa, hey, easy there, buddy.
You
spear!
right in the leg.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I lagged real hard there for a second.
I did too. That
was weird.
That was weird. Alright, keep going up.
I ate his arm. Oh no.
Oh, that can't be healthy.
Oh no, I didn't want to eat his arm. I didn't know what that button did. Oh, we probably should have told our little dude to follow us.
Oh. Yeah.
You know what? Oh, whoa, where did she come from? Do you see her?
Uh-uh. Oh yeah.
You don't see her in between the trees?
Yeah, we're just gonna keep going this way.
I'm gonna go say hi. Bro. She got 3 legs and she running towards
Away?
you. She got 3 legs and she running towards you. I don't wanna attack her.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep going up this. Oh.
I'm gonna run past her. She's still sprinting towards you.
Need a shovel.
Hey, there's a golf cart.
Yeah, it's seen better days.
Yeah, it has. But
oh, I got a battery. Golf cart battery. Oh no, that's printer resin.
I did take a golf cart battery.
Oh, there's more. There's a ton of them.
Yep, printer resin. Oh. I don't know what we can do with batteries, but I'm going to take them anyway. Where'd the river go? Is it to our right?
Oh, no. I think this is it. This looks like the spot.
Oh, by this lake?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Pretty good looking spot.
Oh,
we got guys up here.
Okay. I'm not worried about them.
Give me my spear back.
You have another one. There's 2 right here.
Watch out.
Nice.
Okay. That wasn't too bad.
Oh, is this another camp?
That's not good.
That's
Yeah.
Oh, he's tied up though. We're fine.
We're gonna leave him tied up.
God, why does he have fingers? Did you look at this guy?
Do not break that.
Oh. These guys look kind of dead. Hey, what do we got here? Cloth. Okay. Oh, yep. All right, that's broken. I like how you're just tearing everything down.
Yeah. My island now.
All right, I'm gonna venture down here and not break my legs.
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay, there we go. Nice, easy descent.
Oh yeah, that's a big drop.
Yep. Let's just. There we go. Right down we go.
It's getting dark.
Yeah, I noticed. Oof. Okay, there's a drop there.
Here's some stuff over here.
Okay. It's a nice little area. I think I'm gonna go on this far side where these trees are and start building us a little shelter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Nice and flat. No big. Okay.
All right. Pull out the old book. See what we got. Oh, you know
I'm
what?
gonna start chopping down some
I
trees.
actually think we can put up a tent. If you just want to sleep the night in a tent.
Oh, that's not a bad idea.
See if I can do that.
Oh, bro, it takes a while to chop down a tree.
I'm gonna put a tent up. I'll just go right here.
Oh man, it takes a while to chop down a tree.
All right. You want to sleep now?
Yeah, I think we'd be all right to sleep now. Oh, that's down. Watch out.
Right on the tent.
Oh, right
Nope.
on her.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, is she friendly?
She gone.
Okay, well.
All right. I'm gonna save
Yeah.
and then sleep.
And sleep. What can we
I
build?
guess.
There's a tent.
If you want to start doing something with these logs, I'm gonna go get our buddy. Can't believe you left this guy out here all by himself.
I bet he's got 1,000,000 logs by now.
Oh my god. He's he's running down the beach holding logs right now. Oh, he's just got
does he have a name? Cause I didn't even check.
Yeah, Kelvin.
Kelvin?
Yeah.
bring Kelvin home.
He's got
leave
like
the poor boy out by
he's
himself.
got like 30 logs back here.
Oh my god. Tell him to carry them. And bring them over here.
Oh, we can get some more. Let me see if I can do that.
You can. Should be able to.
Okay. We're bringing some logs with us.
Nice.
Okay, he's being really slow.
Well, he did get kind of screwed up in the crash.
Oh, he's sitting down? What is he doing?
What? Is he like tired or something?
No time to sit down. We gotta go. Oh, I just threw my logs at him.
Just keep running.
Okay, finally made it back.
Finally?
Yeah. Here's your logs that took me 30 years to get.
Go ahead and just toss them on here. Oh, watch out. There's a dude on the rock right here. He's
right here.
He's just kind of watching. Oh, okay. I got you back.
Oh my gosh. What just happened?
What are these guys? Need like 13 more logs or something like that?
Oh, what is this little thing?
What? This is our house, bro.
It's
It's perfect, is what you meant to say.
okay. Okay. Oh my! I just killed him.
No, you did not.
Oh, just tree landed right on his head. He's good. He's moving.
Yeah, with a little bit of brain damage, but you know, he's fine. Hey, we have a house. Yeah, okay. So probably need to put beds.
It probably needs to be 10 times larger.
It took that much just to build that.
And we just build our like a custom one.
I mean, they have lean-tos and stuff you can do. They have a lookout tower.
You don't need to do that. You can just build one custom.
Yeah, okay.
See?
Gonna make an outline with those.
Yeah.
All right.
Should we go to this these like indicators on the map? There's one close.
What indicators?
The purple dots.
I don't see any purple dots.
Oh, well, there's one right up here. Let's go look at it.
Okay.
It's not far. The purple, yeah, it's like little notifications.
Huh, I don't see anything.
Let's go check it out. This one there's not
Okay.
far from us. I think it's down here. Oh, there's a dude.
Oh, maybe it's a cave.
There's a dude.
I do know
He's
there's
running away.
caves in this. You can go in and get special items like the chainsaw and stuff.
Oh, it's this guy.
Oh, guess what I just found?
Go ahead and give her a
Rope.
cut there.
Oof. Tally ho! Oh god, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
I'm not.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back to camp now that we have rope.
Yeah, that flashlight's
And
nice.
excuse you, sir. You're walking into our camp. Oh no, 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 never mind. That's Kelvin. False alarm, false alarm. Nobody panic.
Oh, the music. Oh yeah.
That was a. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go straight ahead towards this purple dot.
Are we splitting?
And if we find a camp, we find a camp.
Or we'll stay together.
Stay together would probably be a better idea,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Huge camp.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Oh, and there's. Oh, you cut his.
I just cut his head off.
Oh, bro, look at the camp. Oh, he's
Big
got,
dude.
He's got a sickle. Hey, maybe I need the big axe.
Yep, big axe.
Wish I could take a sickle.
Oh gosh.
Give me my spear
I don't
back.
wanna die.
Thank you.
Oh, it's a big dude. Real big dude.
Oh my god, he's huge.
Oh!
Dude! Oh, watch out, watch out!
I speared that guy right in the face.
She's running away. That was a really good shot.
Where'd my spear go?
I don't know, but it was worth losing the spear. Bro, check out the meat chair.
Dude, what is this?
What is what? Whoa.
Oh my.
Night V? Can
Oh,
we ride
wow.
it? Jump twice to dismount? Bro, look at me! Bro, look at me! I'm
Dude.
so... Oh, God, it's hard to drive. Oh, God, it's hard to drive.
This thing's awesome.
Okay, I gotta get off that for a second. Oh, but you can't inventory it.
No. So we have to, I guess, take them back home or use them.
And that's kind of annoying.
I might use it.
Yeah, but it's pretty difficult.
A lot of rope here.
I don't know where you're seeing that, but take your word for it.
Oh, it's tons.
Oh, there's the rope.
Oh, there's my spear. All right, let's get on the Night V's and let's get to the marker.
Ooh, almost missed a microchip and some batteries. Let's get where? Where are you trying to go?
We're getting to that marker.
Oh
it's
yeah,
right
let
up
me
here.
pull it back up.
Dude, these are cool.
It's so
Oh,
hard
they're
to drive.
fast. They're so fast.
And they kind of go over anything. I'm collecting leaves?
Big jump. Oh, that was massive. Okay, I'm here.
Yep, we're here. Let me check
All
this
right.
camp while I'm right here.
Well, that was awesome.
Probably blew through this one.
I did. I went right through it.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Put the GPS up. Jesus.
That thing's beeping like crazy in it.
Oh, there's another cooking pot here.
Hey, throw a rock on this propane tank. Do you see it there? The red one?
Yeah.
Throw a rock on it. Like, one of the big ones.
Oh my god, it won't let me.
No, one of the big rocks. One of the big ones right here. One of these big ones.
Okay, I got a big one.
But step back.
Is he up in a tree or something?
Oh. Oh, I think we need a shovel. I think he's buried right here. There's a grave.
Huh?
There's a grave over here. Yeah, we need a shovel.
How do you make a friggin' shovel?
Okay. We'll come back to that one. Let's get on the night V's and go find some camps. Wait, can I ride? Can I ride this thing with the radio on me?
Yes, you can.
Can I turn it on?
Oh no.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it.
That's freaking go.
Oh, hey, there's a dude right there.
Yep. Ignore him. Oh, I'm gone.
Oh, these are so hard to drive. Oh, I wrecked it. Oh,
You wrecked it?
oh, don't hit a tree.
Oh.
That's a bad idea.
I just jumped this entire little body. You look so funny. Oh, I just went flying.
Oh my gosh, you flew so far.
Okay, we're gonna go without the radio for a minute.
That was great.
God.
Hey, what's that out in the water? You see that red thing?
Oh, yeah, let's go out there.
See if we can get over to this beach.
Yeah. I don't want to dip it in the water.
Oh, there we go. There's somebody right here. You gonna attack me? Oh, there's some bags.
Let's go see what we got over
this
here.
real quick. Oh, I'm down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he just one-shot me. You can.
I cut his head off.
I don't know if you can.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, you're back.
Thank you. That was painful.
Oh, here, radio.
Oh, me too.
What is it?
Here it
Some
is.
boxes here.
Oh, there's a dude right here.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, I've collected a bunch of stuff off of him. MREs.
Hey, grab that radio.
Got it.
Wait, you're holding it? Oh, it's on your shoulder.
You like it?
Yeah. I was like, wait, why do I still hear it? Okay, so we're gonna
Oh,
swim
I got
out to that.
Grenade?
A grenade?
Yeah. Yeah, I picked up a grenade. I'm gonna place this down and pick it up when we come back.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it right next to my bike.
Wait, you already have one in your inventory?
I don't think so. It wouldn't let me inventory it though.
Oh, if you just single tap.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go swim out here. I think there's sharks,
Yeah.
though.
Are there?
I think so. I'm gonna get... Actually, I'm gonna eat a little bit. Get my stamina
Yeah,
up.
that's not a bad idea.
Let's eat a raw fish.
I've got one cooked fish left. Eat that.
Yeah, raw fish is good for you. That's crazy.
And
I think I'm good.
I'm gonna drink a little bit. Are you getting hurt?
No, you are. You're drinking dirty water.
No, it's fine. It was delicious.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Okay, how do I
Did you make it?
There we go. Yeah.
Okay.
See
I
me
see.
climbing in?
I see you doing the animation. Dude, there's a
Hurry up,
shark
bro,
right
get
behind
in
you.
there. Ah, no.
Holy.
Oh.
There's a gun.
Is there?
Sit on this book. Did you hit him?
No.
There's another. Wait, there's another one right here. You not
What?
see this one?
Oh,
wait, that's
he
it.
did
Go,
not
go, go.
Like that.
Go
he
now.
did not like that. Oh no.
Oh, I just got
Okay.
bit.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm okay though.
Oh no.
Oh, I got bit again. Oh no. Oh, this is bad. Okay, I think I made it. Is your health full?
Yeah. I don't know where the other one is.
Well, you're about to run into the one that bit me. I made
Oh
it.
god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I don't
Yeah,
like this, I don't like this,
oh,
I don't like this.
I didn't like it
Get
at
your
all.
gun out, get your gun out.
I can't see him from this far.
Help!
I need help.
Somebody send help! Oh, he's right behind me, isn't he? They're definitely right behind me. Oh no. I can just feel it. Help! Get your gun ready! Start shooting! Start shoot! Oh, he's right behind me! Oh god. Okay, water is dangerous and scary, and I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Don't move. Where'd he go?
You're gonna waste all your ammo. You didn't even hit it.
Okay, they're super hard to hit.
I got it.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, hey, rope.
Let's
We
grab
got
the.
what we needed.
Let's grab the night V's. Let's keep going around the beach. See what's. Let's just keep going around.
Yeah, you don't want to head back?
No, I wanna
Sun's
keep-
getting
I
pretty
wanna-
low.
I want to keep looping. I could put up a tent anywhere.
That's true.
Let's keep grabbing.
Well,
some,
the beach ends.
Oh, okay. Let's go up. There's a path right here. It seems like.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we're on a trail.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna follow the trail. Ooh!
Just got yeeted, didn't you?
I don't
Oh, here's a
know what
camp.
from, though.
All right, we got a camp.
I
up
guess
here.
a little pebble got me.
Got us a little camp.
Oh man,
some
that's
grenades in
funny.
here.
Oh. Lots of C4, lots of grenades. Oh, I do not want the grenade equipped. Let's put that away.
Some solar panels, nice. I could use those
Okay,
later.
I wish we could take these tents.
Let's keep going. Oh gosh, I clipped
Oh,
a
they're
tree.
so fast downhill.
Oh no, this is dangerous.
Ooh, jumped it. Ooh.
What'd you hit?
That's one way to get off. I ran straight into a tote. Ooh,
Let's see what we got here.
tape in it. Lots of tape, some copper wire.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
It looks. You lean forward.
Hey, another
Like
tote.
totes. Okay. Oh, rope. Oh, this is a
Found
good idea.
coins?
Come in and get supplies.
Cloth collected.
I'm full on rope, actually.
Money. Okay. More money. Lots of cloth. Thing in these boats. Oh, more rope, more money. Okay.
All right, let's keep going. What is going on here?
Lovely. I
tied
love
up.
people tied to the beach. Hey, how you doing? Yeah. I guess.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Killed you. Oh, you have a knife. Thank you.
Oh no, we can harvest them.
Oh. That's kind of disgusting.
Big guy, real big dude.
Oh yeah. Let me get my big axe out. Let me.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay,
You just,
ignore big guy. Big guy done.
Yeah. I just making sure. Ooh. Found canned food. You know you can smash these crates.
Yeah, we got some goods.
Oh. Here's another radio and a life jacket we could have used for the sharks.
Oh yeah, yeah. Pick up this
boats
radio.
are empty.
I can't pick it up.
Dig the music.
All right, let's grab our rods and
Yeah.
keep looping around.
How big is the island?
It's pretty massive.
Because I don't think we're ever gonna make it back around.
We'll make it. We'll make it. Oh, it's getting dark in it. Do I have a headlight on this? Oh, yeah, there is.
We got flashlights. There's a headlight?
Yeah, it's glowing in front of me.
Oh.
What do we got out here?
Can't really see. Not much.
Hey, should we put a tent up and sleep right here?
That's probably not a bad idea.
Wanna make a fire?
Check this out.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Pretty good range. Oh, you can fight with it? Oh, my bad.
I'm on fire. Oh.
No,
I'm on fire!
I'm on fire, Ricky Bobby. Let me put that away. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at my building skills here. Best tent you've ever seen.
Yeah, it's real sturdy.
Save my game. Gonna go to sleep.
Alright.
Oh, all right. All right, I'm calling it. I'm ending the stream here. We will pick this up at another time when I have more storage space and a better graphics card.
Yeah, it's a good time to stop.